According to Stack Overflow's 2026 survey, Rust is now the highest-paid programming language in the world. Rust developers out-earn Python developers. They out-earn Java developers. And the demand is accelerating fast. Here is why, and how you can take advantage of this right now. So why are companies willing to pay so much for Rust developers? It comes down to a rare combination: performance and safety. Rust delivers the speed of C++ but with built-in memory safety. No garbage collection lag. No null pointer crashes. No data race conditions. This combination is extremely difficult to find, which is why it commands such high salaries globally. Major organizations have already adopted Rust at scale. For example, Microsoft rewrote core Windows components in Rust. Amazon uses Rust for its cloud infrastructure at AWS. Google's Android team is migrating code to Rust. Even the Linux kernel now includes Rust code. This is not experimental, it is running in production across critical global systems. Another huge driver is the blockchain and Web3 space. Major blockchain projects including Solana, Polkadot, and Near are built with Rust. Demand for smart contract developers who know Rust is enormous, and the supply is very limited. And as cloud computing costs increase, companies are looking for more efficient code. Rust can reduce memory usage and energy consumption by 50 to 70% compared to Python or Java. At large scale, that saves millions of dollars. Yes, Rust has a reputation for being challenging to learn. The ownership and memory model takes time to understand. But that difficulty is exactly why it pays so well. Far fewer developers master it. If you come from a C++ or systems programming background, expect 3 to 6 months. If you are coming from Python or JavaScript, allow 6 to 12 months. The investment is worth it. The Rust job market is genuinely supply constrained. There are simply not enough Rust developers for the number of companies hiring worldwide. Subscribe our YouTube channel to stay ahead in your career in technology. Want to explore our latest tech courses? Visit uplatz.com.